It was a good experience.
It was like a real work scenario.
It really raises awareness.
A strong way of presenting.
What we do with the students for 3 weeks is that we try to introduce them into the fundamentals of sustainable business. We do not only the conceptual part, but also try to put hands-on work and do exercises and simulations, and then go into sustainable finance. So it's a very, very full and interesting week, and that is the cultural experience.
It's really a privilege to be part of this academic team to teach 40 excellent students in sustainability and strategy development.
It was also great to work together with the Portuguese faculty. We learned so much from each other, and to see the students progress in this program gave me a lot of joy.
We were faced with a lot of issues that we didn't firstly thought about. And then we had to come up with solutions. And I think that this is really important because it shows us a real-life work scenario and how it works.
It was a good experience. I think 3 weeks passed by in a flash, and it's something that I'm proud to have done.
We realized here in this program that sustainability is an important question when we are dealing with enterprises and their future in the markets.
We learned quite a lot about different models, about strategy, about how to finance these strategies. And there were many hard skills. It was even hard sometimes to follow and to remember everything. But after some time, you kind of get it. You understand what this program is about. A very cool experience abroad.
Help them to achieve their main goal.
It was something that I appreciated.
Not just a concept, but rather a life ethic.